The more you practice, the better you will get at it. The only way to achieve success is through continuous practice. Practice, practice, practice. Hi, friends. Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. I have created this series of 5 videos for banking interview questions. This is made so that you can practice all the questions and answers over and over again so you can win your banking interview. Question number 41. What is KYC and why is it important in the banking sector? The answer: KYC, or also known as Know Your Customer, is the process of verifying the identity of a customer to mitigate the risk of fraud and financial crimes. It is crucial for preventing illegal activities such as money laundering and terrorist financing. Next, explain the key elements of KYC policy in a bank. The answer: a KYC policy includes customer identification procedures, risk assessment, customer due diligence, and ongoing monitoring to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Next, what is the common documents used for customer identification in the KYC process? The answer: common documents include government issued IDs like Aadhaar card, passport, PAN card, and utility bills servicing as proof of address. Next, how does enhanced due diligence EDD differ from standard KYC procedures? The answer: EDD involves a more in-depth analysis of higher risk customers, requiring additional information and scrutiny due to their increased potential for involvement in money laundering or illicit activities. Next, what role does Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI plays in KYC processes of India? The answer: UIDAI issues Aadhaar cards, which serves as a crucial document for customer identification in the KYC process. Next, how do you ensure the privacy and security of customer information during the KYC process? Answer: banks implement robust security measures, encryption, and access controls to safeguard customer information, ensuring compliance with data protection laws. Next, what is the significance of politically exposed person PEPs in the KYC process? Answer: PEPs are individuals with prominent public functions, and their enhanced risk requires thorough scrutiny in the KYC process to prevent potential misuse for corruption or money laundering. Next, how often does the bank update customers' KYC information and what triggers such updates? The answer: KYC information should be updated periodically, and updates may be triggered by significant changes in customer behavior, such as transactions or regulatory requirements. Next, explain the role of Financial Action Task Force FATF in global AML efforts. Answer: FATF sets international standards and promotes effective implementation of legal, regulatory, and operational measures to combat money laundering and terrorist financing globally. Next, what are the red flags indicating potential money laundering activities? Answer: Red flags includes frequent large transactions, unusual transaction patterns, and inconsistent customer information that may indicate attempts to conceal the source of funds. Next, how does a bank conduct customer due diligence (CDD) as part of the KYC process? The answer: CDD involves gathering and verifying customer information, assessing risk, and monitoring transactions to ensure they are consistent with the customer's profile. Next, what measures can a bank take to train employees on KYC and AML compliance? The answer: banks should conduct regular training sessions, workshops, and provide written material to employees to enhance their understanding of KYC and AML requirements. Next, what is the role of the current transaction report (CTR) in AML compliance? Answer: a CTR is a report submitted to the Financial Intelligence Unit for transactions exceeding a specified amount, helping detect and prevent money laundering activities. Next, how does a suspicious activity report (SAR) contribute to AML efforts? Answer: SAR is filled by banks when they detect transactions or activities that may indicate money laundering or other suspicious behavior, helping regulatory authorities investigate and take necessary actions. Next, how does technology such as artificial intelligence and machine learning contribute to KYC processes? Answer: technology aids in automating routine KYC tasks, enhancing efficiency, and enabling more effective analysis of customer data to identify unusual patterns or potential risks. Next, what challenges do banks face in implementing effective KYC and AML measures? Answer: challenges may include the cost of compliance, keeping pace with evolving regulations, and balancing customer experience with stringent security measures. Next, can you provide examples of AML regulations specific to the Indian banking sector? Answer: examples include the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) and guidelines issued by the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, to ensure AML compliance. Next, how can banks strike a balance between customer convenience and stringent KYC requirements? The answer: banks can leverage technology for streamlined onboarding processes and implement risk based approaches to focus more on higher risk customers while ensuring compliance for all. Next, explain the concept of source of funds in the KYC process. The answer: source of fund refers to the origin of the customer's financial resources. KYC processes aim to verify and ensure that these funds are obtained through legal means. Next, what steps should a bank take when it identifies potential AML risk in the customer's account? The answer: the bank should conduct a thorough investigation, file a suspicious activity report, that is SAR, and if necessary, take appropriate actions such as freezing the account based on regulatory guidelines. So that's it, friends. We have covered another 20 questions in this video. So total we have covered 60 questions. in this series till now. So in the description of this video, I have put a link for the aptitude test. Kindly make sure you go through all the questions and answers, and also make sure you attempt the aptitude test. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get at it. Now, friends, if you love the content that I'm creating, please like and share these videos, because like you, there might be many other candidates who are planning to give their banking interview. And if they use these videos for their practice, for their learning, chances are there they will crack their interview. And for more such updates on banking, investment banking, finance, please subscribe to my channel. All I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Namaskar.